Well, Chettinad cuisine is possibly one of the greatest flag bearers of the Tamil Nadu repertoire of cuisines. Today's recipe is, of course, a Chettinad, but a Paneer Chettinad. Let's begin. Beginning with the recipe, of course, with 3 different components. The first one completely optional, and that is marinating the pieces of paneer with lemon juice, turmeric, salt, deep frying and retaining them in cold water. Like I said, completely optional. You can also use paneer directly off the packet or off the dairy. The second step is quite a signature of the Chettiars, which is making their own wet spices. For this, of course, we're going to roast and then grind that nice and fine. And the third component is the tempering with curry leaf, shallots and sesame oil and things like that. Beginning with the roasting, let's jump in right away. Let's begin with dried red chilies, of course, removing the stalks. For this, Byadgi chili variety is preferable. Let's add in bay leaves, along with this, coriander seeds, dried lichen, extremely important, one of those mandatory spices in Chettinad, followed up with mustard seeds, black peppercorns. Keep moving this lightly, ensuring this does not get burnt. While a little bit of browning, of course, is mandatory. Pieces of cinnamon stick, cloves, cumin seeds, a blade of mace, star anise, fennel seeds, couple of seeds of fenugreek, a piece of black cardamom, 2 pieces of green cardamom. Ensure you broil all of this on medium flame. Ensure it's wonderfully fragrant and not burnt. With this, off goes the flame and allow this now to come down to room temperature. To this, let's add in cloves of garlic. And along with this, couple of knobs of ginger. And grind this into a fine paste, water only if required. Let's move on to the third component, and that is the tempering. Let's begin with sesame oil in a wok or a kadhai. Once that heats, I'm going to add in fresh curry leaves. Let's move on to sliced shallots and saute this. Let's add in the ground spices. And add in tamarind water. Stir this well. And add in water as required. Let's add in salt as required. And finally, pieces of fried paneer. Allow this to poach in this curry for a couple of minutes, and with that, Paneer Chettinad is done and ready. With this, ladies and gentlemen, Paneer Chettinad Curry is done and ready. What you would like to serve this with? Maybe a bowl of steaming ghee rice. Well, if I've forgotten to tell you, this also served, or this is also rather made with lots of coconut. In this case, without coconut. Make this for family, make this for friends, and see how they smile back at this fiery curry at you. This will be the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar signing off. Bye for now.